In this video, we're going to talk about Leaven Network, which is a Binance Smart Chain optimizer yield farmer, which is going to be able to get you the most out of your cryptocurrency, especially in the current crypto climate. Nothing I say is
financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any of your own money.
Let's get into it, guys. Jumping across to the Leaven Network. This is a very interesting program because it's allowing us to make some passive income in crypto. As well as that, we can make money in a variety of different ways from using this particular platform. And all of that money that we're making currently in the bear market, we can really amplify our gains if we then start to invest it wisely within crypto markets. Therefore, you should be subscribed to this channel if you want to know exactly where you should be investing your money in the coming 6 months to the next year. So guys, the Leaven Network, as you can see, has been audited by Certic, which is a big tick from me. Anything that perhaps you've not heard of before, or you're a little bit unaware of how it kind of works, etc., always first of all check that it has been audited by someone like Certic. So if you're wondering what the Leaven Network is and how it works, we're going to jump across to the white paper, guys. So what is the Leaven Network? Well, Leaven Network is a decentralized Binance Smart Chain yield optimizer. What that basically means is you're going to be able to earn a percentage yield on the crypto that you hold within that particular platform. You can also do things like referral program by bringing in your friends and family. That's going to enable you to get even more earnings through a passive income yield farming network. Leaven Network earns the highest APYs with safe and efficiency in mind and maximizing your profits with the referral program. So basically what it is, guys, is it's offering you vaults that you can leave your crypto in, and then you're going to be able to earn a yield from that. The investment strategy is tied to the vault, will automatically increase your deposited token amount, compounding arbitrary yield farm reward tokens back into your initially deposited asset. For example, if you're depositing BNB, then you're going to get paid back in a BNB. Despite the name vault suggests, your funds are never locked in any of the vaults and you can always withdraw them at any time, which is also very important. But why is this unique? You've probably heard tons about different yield farms. Well, it's because to leaven even more your deposit tokens, Leaven Network is the first decentralized application to create this innovation to boost or to leaven your earnings and APYs through a referral program, which allows you to choose how much you want to earn based on the number of referrals you get, because obviously the more referrals, the more you can then earn. So what's very exciting right now, guys, is we are in the pre-sale time. And that means in crypto that we're able to pick up tokens at a fraction of the normal cost. And in fact, if you deposit with your BUSD or Binance US dollar tokens, you're going to get 20% discount, which means basically on launch you're going to be 20% better off than you were through your purchase. So by buying now, you also then get your referral code, and what your referral code is then useful for is you can then refer other people in, and as I've already mentioned, the more people you refer in, the better the benefits you'll also gain. There's only ever going to be 1.75 million Leaven tokens ever minted. That's actually a very small amount compared to like Bitcoin, which is 21 million, and then other tokens which go into potentially into the billions. Pre-sale token price is 0.2 BUSD per Leaven. Listing price will be 0.3. So let's say, for example, you bought $20 worth. You're then going to have $30 worth at the end, which means you're making basically 30% gains on your initial purchases. There'll also be a distribution of 250,000 BUSD hard cap tokens. 75,000 will be into PancakeSwap LP, 100,000 with the partnership and marketing, and then 75,000 for development into the future. Now you can see all of the different things down here that we want to focus on. So if you look into the referral program, you can share your referral information with your friends and earn 20% BUSD instantly every time someone buys tokens using that referral link. So perhaps if you've got a YouTube channel, perhaps you've got a Twitter account, or perhaps you just got a group of friends, you can refer them this link and then you can earn an extra 20% of the BUSD. So for example, if you had hundreds of people or thousands of people potentially using that link, you could potentially make amazing gains there. Also then looking into the tokenomics, which is always important when looking at new crypto projects, Leaven combines the feats of DAO governance, revenue sharing, as well as deflationary mechanics to make holding ever more enticing, and sustainable passive yields for holders. Based on the already proven model of yield optimization, Leaven investors will be able to earn passive yields by simply holding their tokens. And then there's also increasingly rare tokens. Only 1.75 million tokens will ever be minted. After the pre-sale is over, no more will ever be issued, which does get me a bit of a warm and fuzzy feeling that potentially this could see excellent growth as and when it sells out. especially if it happens in the bottom of the bear market, which is pretty much where we are now, because as we move into the bull market, more and more people are going to flood into the space, and that could really accelerate the growth of the price. If we look into the roadmap, obviously it's a very new one, guys. Certain audits already been done, and we're in Q1 2023. You can see that there is a lot of things happening during this phase, listing on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, first 5,000 token holders, deployment of various vaults and other phases that are happening in there. And then as you move into phase 2, you're going to have advertising integration, DeFi Llama listing, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this is obviously very early on in the project. There's lots of potential growth. So getting in early, especially that small number of tokens, could potentially be very valuable in the longer term. Now, at the bottom of this page is lots of FAQs where you can find out more info about all the different things going on here. But if we go to the Leaven Network app, and you can see currently it's a very new project. Total value locked currently sat at $24,000 or just over $24,000. And at the moment, there's these 3 areas that we can look into. We've got BUSD BNB, Cake BNB, and Cake BNB on PancakeSwap. Okay, so in terms of token value locked, at the moment, most of it's locked in Cake BNB LP. And you can see the safety rating as well, currently 8.5, which is very interesting to see. Now, at the top left-hand side, at the moment, I've not created a wallet here, guys, but you can see on the top left-hand side all the info where I would deposit, my monthly yields, etc. Now, what we want to look at right now down here is these yield farms. We can see the 8.5 is the safety ranking, which is obviously something we want to pay attention to. Total value locked. Now, in terms of the BUSD, BNB, and the Cake BUSD, very small amounts of total value locked as it stands. But that's probably because the Cake BNB in the middle actually has an incredible APY of 18.75%, which means, for example, if you were to put in $1,000, you would make $187 on top of your $1,000 next year, which is obviously massive. And that's paid daily. Okay, so it's getting like a compound daily interest. So you can pull it out at any time. Remember, although it's a vault, it's not actually locked up and you don't need to use it. There's 3 different ways here in which you can spread bet in order to make gains. Now, obviously, you need to pay attention to the price of BNB and Cake in this, because obviously these coins do go up and down in value. But right now, you've got a great opportunity to be able to purchase these tokens at a discount price, in my opinion, because it's at the bottom of the bear market. And then if you're going to be making 18% on your initial investment, then who knows? It could be really, really exciting in a year's time. Clicking on the referral info, guys, you have to unlock your wallet to get your referral link. And then you can see down below the 3 different ways in which you can get paid. Okay, so you can uni-level bonuses, 14% on referral commissions distributed on 5 levels. Okay, so level 1 is the people you directly invite. Okay, so if you send a link to your friend or whatever, then you're going to make 6%. People your level 1 invites. Okay, so if you invite a friend, your friend will then invite someone else. You're going to make percentages on there. Okay, so you can see that you're going to get potentially huge percentage returns as your network grows. And obviously, the more people you're going out and building the network for you, the better it is for you and the more passive it becomes. You then come down to the global growth bonus. 4% from Leaven Network's global revenues based on rank rules. You've got sapphires, rubies, emeralds, diamonds, ambassadors. Okay, these are different levels of your rank within the whole system. And in order to be one of those different ranks, you can see the sapphire, which is pretty much the top one. You need a minimum of $2,500 worth of personal deposit and a team requirement of a minimum of $50,000. Okay, so probably quite. And then you go up to the top level, the ambassador level, where you need a minimum of $50,000 and then $5 million worth of assets from your team, which obviously would take potentially time to build up. But if you build your network quick enough, then you might be able to get up into these ranks where you'll get further benefits. And the main benefit of becoming an ambassador, getting the ambassador bonus, is 1% from Leaven Network's global revenues will be based on the rank rules. And that's another great way to build passive income. So in order to purchase tokens from the Leaven Network, guys, you just need to connect a wallet, which can be done by clicking here. You can connect things like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, various others, Coinbase, all very easily. And then you can go and purchase it using BUSD or whatever tokens you've got on the Binance Smart Chain. So in summary, guys, Leaven Network is a great way for you to earn an annual percentage yield, passive income, and you can also benefit from referring friends and family as well as other people that you can meet along the way to the network, which are going to give you additional earning potential, and it's pretty much an unlimited earning potential as well. So if that sounds good, make sure you go and check it all out. It's down in the link below in the description. You can get involved in the pre-sale price, currently at 0.2 BUSD per token, rather than the end of sale price, which would be 0.3 BUSD per token. So you can potentially make money just by buying in the pre-sale and then potentially selling on launch if that's what you want to do. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for me. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about NFTs, crypto, GameFi, and so much more, then hit that subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Bye.